So today we're going to go over the supplier directory in the PureElements app. So on the bottom where you see supply chain, you would need to press that. It will take you into different categories, starting with construction and engineering. These are the categories of the supply chain. More may be added to keep it all organized in the future. Have a toggle in the upper right hand, which has about 3 lines. This is where you can change the layout of the categories. So if you like it larger, you can make it larger where it will have 2 categories per line or in a row, or you may want to have it at a list view. After selecting the categories, this is where you'll see the suppliers who's listed in those categories. So as you can see, and all the information is there. You have the name of the company, the email, all the contact information, and a brief description about your business. While you're in the category section, you can hit the big yellow search button. This is where you can search for a name, a locality, or keywords that may come up. So here I'm searching project. There's no results here. So let's try it again using another keyword. So this time I'll put engineer. So we're still in the construction and engineering category. That's selected. And here it is. It comes up because this business has engineering in its profile. So, or it's in the category itself. So the keyword came up. You can even choose multiple categories. So say for instance, if you're looking for someone in a certain sector, so civil engineering, but you wanted to make sure that they have environment, then you can choose construction and engineer and environment at the same time to see if anyone comes up. So some people will be in multiple categories and you will be able to search multiple categories. Now we've selected design and business materials. Let's try another word. And as you can see, there's no results. Let's try another search putting in location. So we type in London. Based on the categories selected, this is the company that comes up. One of those categories were administration. Let's go into the administration category. I hope this was useful. Now that you understand searches, don't forget to press the red validate button to start your search.